This man is threatening Igbos in Lagos.
All the Igbos in Alaba, all the Igbos in Udumota, all the Igbos in Lagos, as you wickedly vote for P2B, just pack your load and leave Lagos. I remain Prophet Godwin Ikoro. As Swanju, I'm just sending a message across the country. If when I play game against this movement, then let me tell you, I remain Prophet Godwin. If no Aswanju, there's no president. There will not be president. P2B will not be. So you better know what you are doing. I remain Prophet Godwin. It's only Aswanju that can be a president of Nigeria that will transform this country. I remain Prophet Godwin. All the Igbo that voted for P2B in Lagos, pack your load and leave Lagos. All the pastors who talk against Aswanju in Lagos, pack your church and leave Lagos. I remain Prophet Godwin. Lagos is not your land. Leave.